Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve another question of new companies for HackerRank SQL challenge. So the question is, there is a company and the hierarchy for the company is founder, then lead manager, senior manager, manager and employee. So what we want to print company code, founder name, total number of lead managers and total number of senior managers, total number of managers and total number of employees, and we want to order the output by ascending company code. So basically we have different tables. The first table is for company, in which company code and founder name is given, and we can extract the company code and founder name from this table company. And we want the total number of lead manager, senior manager, manager and employee. We can extract one by one from the table lead manager, senior manager, because linear manager code, the count function will give the number of lead managers, senior managers and the employee. And that's it. And at last we will order this by the company code. So these all the different data are available in different table. So we have to join this table: company, lead manager, senior manager, manager and employee. So we will connect the company table and lead manager with the column company code, and senior manager and manager with the common column lead manager code, and so on. Now let's try to write the query. So what we will select company code, and we will select the company code, control C, company code, comma founder from the table company. So the short name for it is C dot company, C dot founder. And for total number of lead managers, we will use the function count distinct, because we don't want the repeated value. So the short name for the lead manager table is lead L, and what we want is a lead manager code, control C. Lead manager code, lead manager code. And now distinct lead manager code. And uh, so we have to count what lead managers, senior managers and employee. So I will copy paste these for next. Now here we don't want the lead manager code, what we want is the senior manager. So I will write senior manager code from this table, senior manager code, s dot senior manager code for the senior managers, and so on for the others. For the manager code, m dot manager code, and for the employee, e dot employee code, e dot employee code, e dot employee code. And now we will write the from statement from the company table, company C, and the next table name is lead manager. I will copy paste the name as, yeah, lead manager as L, and the senior manager as S, senior manager as S, and the next table is manager 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 as M, and last employee as E as E and a, all the five tables are ready, and now we have to do the join. So basically we have selected all the print values that we want in the output. Select c dot company code, c dot founder, count distinct, lead manager code, senior manager code, employee code, and from the different tables: company, lead manager, senior manager, manager, and employee. And now we will join these. So we will use where we will join the company table and the lead manager table with the common column company code. So we are here we will write l dot, here we will write no first we will join the company code. So c dot company code, where c dot company code will be equal to the from we will join this from the lead manager table. And now we will use and function here, and this, and we will join the lead manager code from the table lead manager with the table senior manager. So we are joining the senior manager and linear manager table with the lead manager code with a common column. And again we will join the next senior with the senior manager code. This we will join the manager table and the senior manager table and the senior manager table with the common column senior manager code. And now at last we will join the manager table and employee table with the common column manager code. Here we can see that the employee table and the have a common column employee code. And now we will use the function p group by. So what we have selected here, so we have to group it with the same c dot, and last we will order it by the company code. We will order it by c dot company code. Order by company code. Order by company code. And that's it. So here what we have done is select c dot company code, c dot founder, count distinct, l dot lead manager code, count senior manager code, employee code from company C, lead manager, employee, a senior manager, and employee. And we have joined this group by this. And now let's try to run the code. There is some error in the line 1. Company does not exist. Select c dot company code. Minute c dot company code. Okay, there is the mistake, a spelling mirror. spelling error. And now let's again try to run the code. It's taking some time. Wait. And here we can see that our answer is right. Basically, we have joined all the five tables, and what we want to select, we have to give the name of the table in front of the column. And I hope you have understood the question and answer. Thank you for watching this video.